Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about AlzClipp, a supplement that claims it can reverse dementia and dramatically boost memory. But is it the real deal or just another scam targeting vulnerable people? Quick disclaimer, this is based on personal opinion and online research. I'm not a doctor and this is not a medical advice. According to its official site, AlzClipp is a brain health formula that claims to restore memory, mental clarity, and even reverse signs of dementia. The marketing is intense, emotional stories, dramatic results, and limited time offers. They present it almost like a miracle cure, but there are zero clinical studies or scientific backing on the site. No ingredient breakdown, no real transparency, and no medical endorsements. On Reddit, users are already calling AlzClipp a scam. One comment summed it up. Yes, you can buy it, but it won't do anything for dementia or Alzheimer's. That's a serious claim. Medical conditions like Alzheimer's are complex, and any product suggesting it can reverse them without peer-reviewing research should raise immediate red flags. There's also no sign of independent customer reviews, no Trustpilot page, and no clear company background, all major signs of a potentially deceptive product. AlzClipp seems like a scam. It preys on hope using emotional marketing with zero real science behind it. If something really reversed dementia, we'd be hearing about it from doctors, not just pop-up website with countdown timers. Bottom line, save your money and talk to a real medical professional if you or a loved one is struggling with memory issues. Have you seen AlzClipp ads or tried it yourself? Drop your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more honest reviews and be careful out there.